Hey, what is up guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing or unwrapping of the OnePlus travel bag. So let's get started. So first of all, the backpack is in this cover which has a branding on it, and opening it up we get this beautiful black color backpack. Now my first impressions about this backpack is that this is premium, really premium. So the backpack's color scheme is really good. The red and black design here feels really good and has a mark of quality. Now let's see what's in the backpack and what all compartment we get in the bag. So starting with the big compartment, opening this up, we get the clothing backpack, to which we will get in a second. Here we get more compartments. This is a compartment where you can keep anything from power bank to your other stuff. And below that we get a few pockets where we can keep our pen, pencils. The inside material is also really good. Now moving to the next compartment, this is really small, but good for keeping your handy stuff. Moving ahead, on the front bottom side, we get another zip in which I have my tie and pen. But you can keep whatever you want. Sometimes I even drop my earphones here. Now on the left side, we get another zip to keep your laptop or even books. And this compartment is bigger than other compartments in this backpack. On the back of the backpack, we get nothing, just some soft mesh type of material. On the straps we get OnePlus logo, on the front we get OnePlus logo, and even inside we get the OnePlus logo, so logos everywhere. Now let's get to the clothing bag which we kept aside. This is actually a clothing bag, and as the name says travel backpack, there is no surprise that we get this. Here there are total 2 zips and we can put in 2 jeans and 2 shirts very easily. And again here we see another logo. The quality of this too is really good. So this was the bag. So I've been using this backpack for a week now, and I would say definitely get this. This is stylish, stealthy, and also good looking. Only con I found was there is no compartment to keep your water bottle, but if it doesn't matter to you, then just get it. But the price, it is premium. The price of this backpack is $60, which is 4,000 rupees here. And we get 2 color options, the grey and black, which is my personal favorite. So that's it guys. That was my unboxing and quick review of the OnePlus travel backpack. If you want to buy this backpack, the link will be in the description, and if you like this video then make sure to hit that like button. And this is PS Tech signing off. Thanks for watching.